I fell in love with somebody who doesn't even know my name, no, no. And I know that.
Alright, so I know I look crazy, but today I'm doing a tutorial on how I do my 2 puffs, plus the swoop and edges. So yeah, stay tuned for that and keep on watching. This video I'll be using hair growth oil, eco styler, a bristle brush, scrunchies for your hair obviously, got to be glue clips, cream of nature. There's water in here, so like yeah. Well, I'm actually going to use 4 scrunchies instead of 2 because I feel like my hair has better grip and I want it to be more sleek. So yeah, I'm going to just use 2 scrunchies. So now you're gonna wait about 5 minutes, and yeah. Alright, so that's it for this video today. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to be a part of Xclusive Nation, and turn on that post notification bell so you get notified each time I post a video.